stand today like we always dreamed, starting out our life together. The light is in your eyes, love is in our hearts. I can't believe you're really mine forever. Been rehearsing for this moment all my life, so don't act surprised if the feeling starts to carry me away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand, take my hand, and I will honor every word that I say on this day. Not so long ago, this earth was just a field, a cold and lonely space without you. Now everything's alive, now everything's revealed, and the story of my life is all about you. Oh, if you feel the cold winds blowing through your nights, I will shelter you. I'm forever here to chase your fears away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand, take my hand, and I will honor every word I say on this day. Oh, I've been rehearsing for this moment all my life, so don't act surprised if the feeling starts to carry me away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here we stand like God planned. Please say you'll always look at me this way, like on this day. On this day.
Hi!
Good day!
Happy 13th wedding anniversary!
Mang og pangpayin. Kami mas pasalamaton niya inyong gi-invite. O niya, pasalamaton po ta kay Jehovah kay hatag siya mga instruction para mahimong maligon ang atong kamiyoon.
Salamat po sa support nga gipakita ninyo sa previous na mga kasal ni Queen. O nalampos to tungod po sa inyong tabang o sa tabang po ni Hubag sa mga igsoon. Lipay po mi nga makita sa inyong mahimblo, sa inyong padayon nga pagkamadasigon, sa pag-support po sa sign, o sa mga igsoon, apil na po sa inyong pag-take good care kay Queen, tulad sa mga pila ka tuig siya din sa inyo. Salamat kayo Kuya Ruel at ni Payen sa inyong suporta, ginaot Padayong maligo ng inyong gugma sa tabang ni Jehovah. Again, happy 13th wedding anniversary!